So hello everyone, I am Trishans. Today I am going to discuss my latest project, that is SQL Playground. And in this video I am demonstrating this project. So SQL Playground is basically a project in which I have used Python, SQL and MySQL connector for connectivity of Python and SQL, and it automates the flow of database management. So firstly, it is successfully connected. So I have connected it with my MySQL, means in backend I have given my root, password, localhost and all. So these are basically database commands. So it is my SQL playground project. So database commands, in database commands I have show database. When we click on show button, you can see what are the databases available in my computer. Then we can also use database, that is we can choose here, like, and we can use the PDBC database, practice database. I am using PDBC database, so it is written that PDBC database used successfully. We can also create a database, like I can create a DemoDB name database and click on create button. So the database DemoDB created successfully. We can also view it using the view database option. So you can see the demo database created successfully. We can also drop the database, it is DemoDB. Then we click on drop button, so we can see that DemoDB has deleted successfully. Now we are viewing the database, so DemoDB is not present here. Next we have options like show tables. When we click on show buttons, since there are no tables in the database selected, that's why it is not showing anything. So we can select practice database. We click on show button, so we can see that these are all the tables that are present in the database. Next we have describe table option. We can see a particular table also, like customer 2 table, describe table. So the data present in customer 2 table is described here. uh, so these are basic database commands. Now it has also data fetch commands, like we can use the select command. No need to write select command, it is just automatic. If you have to select all data, we can simply select the table, like employee 3 table I have chosen, and we can click on fetch all data. So these are all the data that is present in our table. We can also select specific rows from the table, like we have to only select 3 rows, so we can write 3 rows selected. We can also write 8 rows, 9 rows, so 9 rows get selected. And if we give a negative value, so it will show an error, that is it cannot be fetched. So these are data fetch commands. Now we have data manipulation commands also, like insert, update and delete. So insert command is used to insert the data, like we can choose a table, like an employee 3 table. We have to, like, we will see what are we can describe employee 3 table. So it is employee 3 table. Employee 3 table has following entries, so we will change one. So enter value for column id. This column id, we have one value, enter value for column. So column I can write issue department id. So department id I can enter through and insert. So failed to insert, why? Because duplicate entry for one, and it is a primary key column, so it is showing an error. We can also demonstrate it's like employee 3 value id. We can insert 23, column name Rishans, string is passed, department id is 4. We will insert, so data inserted successfully. Now we will see that. So you can see Rishans 23 is inserted successfully. Now we can also update the table, like we can choose employee 3 table, and set, we have to change the name of id. We have name value, we will do issue, and enter id value. Id value is over 23. Make changes. Oh, not made. Again we will try. Choose id column. Id we have to set id. We have to set name id, enter name, issue id value will be id is 23. So you can, that data successfully updated. Now we will fetch the data, so you can see name is updated here. We can also delete the entry. Choose a table. We will choosing the employee 3 table, id 23, delete. So data successfully deleted. So we can see it here, employee fetch all data, so that entry got deleted. So these are the data manipulation commands. So this app may help in data management to make it effortless. Means we don't need to write the SQL queries. We have to just use means we have to just use our clicks. All the database commands are at our fingertips. Thank you.